Hello friends, we shall now discuss about the union legislature. So the previous articles talked about the union executive, and here we shall talk about the union legislature. Now, who all are present in the union executive? The union executive comprises of the president, the vice president, and the council of ministers, which is headed by the prime minister. Okay. Now, the union legislature consists of the president, the Lok Sabha, and the Rajya Sabha. That means the president is common to both the union executive as well as the union legislature. So that is a fundamental difference between the union executive and union legislature. Now, Article 79 talks about the parliament. Article 79 talks about the parliament. So now let us have a look at what is Article 79. So Article 79 says there shall be a parliament for the union. Article 79 says there shall be a parliament for the union. So Article 79 basically talks about constitution of parliament. So there shall be a parliament for the union and shall consist of the president, the two houses to be known as the Council of States and the House of People. Now, the Council of States is what we call as, hold on for a second, okay. The Council of States is what we call as the Rajya Sabha, and the House of People is what we call as the Lok Sabha. So the Council of States is basically what we designate as the Rajya Sabha, or it is also called as the House of Elders. Okay, now let us see in further. So what is Article 80? Article 80 says that the Council of States shall consist of 12 members to be nominated by the President, not more than 238 representatives of the states. Now, the allocation of the seats in the Council of States shall be filled by the representative of the states in accordance with the provisions in the 4th schedule. The members to be nominated by the President shall consist of persons having special knowledge or practical experience in respect of such matters as the following, namely literature, science, arts, and social service. So now we shall discuss these points in detail. So, now let us write down the things. So, the members of Rajya Sabha, right? So the members of Rajya Sabha, how many of them are prescribed by the Constitution? That there shall be 250 members as prescribed in the Constitution. Now, how will there be 250 members? 250 members will be constituted as 238 plus 12 members. 238 plus 12 members. Now, out of this 238, we have, how many do we have? Okay, these 238 are the elected members, right? 238 elected members, and 12 members are the nominated ones. 238 are 12 elected members, and 12 members are nominated ones. And how are these nominated ones elected? They are elected, or they are nominated by the president. They are nominated by the president, and the president can nominate them based on the representation in art, literature, science, or social service. So we shall look into this once more. Right, so we have that. just okay, let me just make it more clear. Okay, so there shall be a parliament for the union. So this is, we are talking about now article 79, and according to article 79, according to article 79, there shall be a president of, there shall be a parliament which will have two states, which will have two offices, two houses. One is the Rajya Sabha, also known as Council of States, and other is the Lok Sabha, also known as House of People. And in the Rajya Sabha, there shall be 12 members which are nominated, and not more than 238 representatives of the states which are elected, which have both states as well as the union territories. And the allocation of the seats in the constitution will be the proportional representation system, which is mentioned as in the fourth schedule. And the president shall nominate based on matters such as literature, science, art, and social service. Okay, and they shall be elected by the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. So that is it about the composition of legislature and who are all elected in it.